mo na konti. Okay, shake up. Shake mo na konti. Huwag mo na mag-kick na. Shake mo. Okay, stretch konti. Hold your both legs like this. Follow kay coach. Gab. Yuri, follow. Yuri, follow. Sitting. Alright. Okay, first drill. Ball tapping tayo. Like this, oh. Ball tapping. Okay? Last time ikaw, ball tapping. Okay, remember, avoid holding the ball. Huwag sige hawak yung soccer ball, James. Ace. Okay? Huwag i-move forward. Stay in your place. Huwag mo i-move forward. Stay in yan. Diyan ka lang mag-ball tapping. Okay? Ready? Try eyes on the ball. Tyler, stand up, Tyler. Tyler. Ball tapping. Tap the ball slowly. Like this, okay? Right and left. Both foot. Okay? Both feet. Okay? Ready? Go. Ball tapping. Go. Eyes on the ball. Tyler. Do like this. Go, Ace. Follow. Tara, Yuri. Go. Good jump, Ja. Go. Tap ball tapping. Go. Eyes on the ball. Focus. Go. Ball tapping. Ball tapping. Tara, avoid holding the ball. It's okay, James. Yuri, go. Ball tapping. Go. Jump. Alright, inhale. Alright, inhale. Chill. Okay, this time, bilisan konti ha. Yuri, CD. Tara, focus tayo. This time, parang nag-jog, nag-bounce. Okay, nag-bounce. Where are you going, Gab? Okay, go, Gab. This time, nag-bounce na kanina, parang nag-walk. This time, parang nag-jog na. Jog. Okay? Get it? City and Tyler. City, stay in your coach. Move ka. Move ka konti, City. You have your coach. Stay in your coach. This side. Kaya, eyes on the ball. Ready? James. Kinig coach. Stand up. Okay, para nag-jog na ha. Nag-jog. Okay, ready? Start. Go. Jog. Go. Ball tapping. Go. Ball tapping. Tara, Tyler. Yes, ball tapping. Go. Right and left. Go. Tyler, tara. Bilis ko ni Tyler. Go. Avoid holding the ball, James. Ace, go. Go. Ball tapping. Go. Hindi mo ginatap, City. Tap the ball. Touch the ball.
Touch the ball.
Okay, City. Huwag mag-move sa side dito. Stay in your place here. This side, para hindi ka mag-move. Tap the ball, City. Sorry, hindi mo ginatap. City, you're not listening to coach. Tap the ball. Okay?
No front.
Okay, front. Go. Okay, ready? Put the ball down. Guys, baba.
Alam na saan kaya
Okay, ready? James, lagyan ang ball sa baba. Okay.
City, stop playing with the sand.
Sige pa. Okay, next. Stay in your place. Press muna.
City, stop.
Ay, Ace, di ba sabi ka mag-follow? Dito ka lang. Stay in your place. Tayo mo natin si Gab. Okay, stretch mo na kundi. Stretch mo na kundi habang hinihintay si Gab. Tara. Tyler, look at me. Stretch muna. Stretch. Okay, right side. Habang hinihintay si Gab, stretch muna tayo. Ace, Yuri. Follow kay coach. Stretch. Why? Hurry up, Gab. Run. Gab. Front. Stretch habang hinihintay si Gab. Good job, Gab. Stay in your ball. Alright. Proceed tayo sa first drill. Ball tapping para nag-jog. Like this.
City, ball tapping, City.
Ay, go. Who wants water break? Later. Si Ace lang muna. Okay, tara. Ball tapping muna tayo. Tara, go. After ball tapping, mag-water break tayo. Stand up, James. 10 times ball tapping. After that, water break tayo. Ready? CD. Eyes on the ball. Ready, go. Ball tapping, go. Tara, Tyler. Tara, good job. Yeah, go. Yuri, go. City, tap the ball. Go, tap. Tara, bounce. Yuri, bounce. Good job. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Okay, inhale. Exhale. This time, from here, tingin ni coach ha. First whistle, ball tapping. Example, I blow the whistle. Ball tapping tayo. Second whistle, leave your soccer ball, run, ikot sa cone. Okay, balik sa bola. Get it? Yuri! Again, listen, Gab, listen. First whistle, tap the ball. Second whistle, leave your soccer ball here. Run.
City, listen to coach.
Go back to your soccer ball. Get it?
Yeah!
Get it, Gab?
Yeah!
Ace, get it? Tindihan, Ace. Tindihan
Hindi
mo.
talaga marunong
Ace, tindihan.
Tindihan.
Taylor,
City.
get it? Alright, start na, ready?
Goal. Oh, start na.
Muna dyan. Kick! No, later na kick. Ready? Ace! Get your soccer ball. Ace, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Okay, stand up, Ace, stand up. Okay, eyes on the ball. Ready? Put the ball down, boys. City and Taylor. Put the ball down, come on. James, stand up na James. Start tayo. Yuri! Tara. Dito. Run. Ready? James, stand up, stand up. Ready? Yuri, stand up, ready? Yuri!
Ayo!
Ready, go! Ball tapping, go! Ball tapping! Go! Ball tapping! Ball tapping, ha! Yuri! Ball tapping! Ball tapping! Follow, coach! Look at coach, follow, go! Ready! Go, leave your ball, run! Coach!
Run, City, run to the ball, run
coach!
here.
Go, ikot! Run!
City,
James,
run.
run! Yan, ikot sa coach! No, Tyler! Sa harap na coach! Run, dun sa coach! Go, ikot! Gab! Ay, dito lang! Ito! Gab! Here! Diyan lang!
City, saan ka napunta? Dito ka lang.
Okay, go back to your cones. Go back to your soccer ball. Go.
Ay!
Careful. Okay, example ha. Okay, Gab. Okay, everybody look at Gab. Everybody. Tyler and City. Tyler,
City.
City and Ace. James, Yuri. Tyler. Look at Gab. Okay, Gab. Ball tapping, Gab. Ball tapping. Boys. City.
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 Makulong kasi dyan. Kaya nahihirapan si City. Stay in your place.
City.
Alright,
Look
City.
at coach.
City.
City.
Look at Gab, ha? Observe si Gab. Look at Gab. Okay, look at Gab. Go, Gab.
Listen
Ball
to
tapping,
Gab.
Gab. Go, ball tapping. Ball tapping, Gab. Go. Go. Okay. First whistle, ball tapping. Second whistle, Gab. Run. Ikot sa coach. Dito lang, ikot. And go back to your soccer ball. Get it? Get it? Ganun ang gawin. Gayahin ang ginawa ni Gab. Tindihan, James? Okay, ready? Ball tapping, go. Ball tapping, go. Ball tapping, Gab. Ball tapping, Gab. Go. Like this, oh. Ball tapping, go. Yuri, ball tapping. Like this. Go. Go, Tyler, ball tapping. Go, run.
Run, City,
Go.
run to the ball. Run
In
to
front
the
of your
ball.
phone. Tara, Gab, run. Hindi na ako.
Go back.
Yuri, go, run. Dito lang.
Run, go back.
Go back to your soccer ball. James, run. Yan. Oh.